Welcome back, guys. You know this your.
Welcome back from where? Welcome back.
You know who it is again? Kwames, KWAMZ. But I doing three the last week. Yeah. Welcome to Raw Thoughts. Today we got a lot to talk about. I'm here with my friend, my brother.
Taddy, the Charlie.
Hey.
What's Taddy the
You
Charlie?
don't say Charlie in my name. It's part of my name. Why you go do it, man?
You are back. Charlie, what's your name?
But Charlie, I didn't like your hairstyle.
Charlie.
Charlie, they took the video. You see that Charlie thing?
Charlie, what's your name?
The idea you don't know my name.
They won't know your name.
He name be Charlie Kessie.
Okay, so I'm Kessie. You can follow me on Instagram at.
Why they rush? I'm not busy. They talk.
Oh, when I talk.
Nah, me have to talk first. Okay. See, follow me on Facebook at Kwams Waye. The Waye will be WAYE. Yeah, and on Instagram to one course photography. About any photo shoot, everything you want to do video. Just Charlie, follow me.
Guys,
Don't
best
forget to
cameraman
subscribe.
ever.
Subscribe,
cameraman
subscribe.
ever.
Subscribe, yeah.
Subscribe.
It's very
Where
important.
did
Down
he?
there.
Nah, he left. He left. Nah,
So you did.
he be left. You hear me right?
So you did. So he did. So he did.
Follow, hey, subscribe and subscribe. Charlie, your own. Mention your own. We could go.
What Taddy the Charlie? Follow me on Facebook. Fred Moyes. You see, I'm a footballer, so when I come up with Moyes, you know it entails a lot. Moyes, Bako Pet. On Instagram to Fred Moyes. Oh, Charlie Reagan. What's up?
My Instagram handle be
Damn sugar.
_.sugar.
Damn
The
sugar.
sugar is SHUGE.
Hey, so they show you for school.
Damn sugar.
The sugar no. Hey.
Sugar be SHUGE.
Then Facebook to it.
More than diabetes killer.
Delete my FB account.
Fresh business.
More than diabetes
So
killer.
if you want my WhatsApp number, so you go say,
Hey, my guy. Hey, we not talk WhatsApp. We don't want social media handle.
Where's speed up? Hey, Charlie Boys. I the fiesta.
Wow, this is what I do.
Come internet.
Okay. So you can follow me on Instagram at Mr_Kessie. Please, my Instagram is hacked. So I want new followers. Oh, I beg you. Oh, it's me. I beg you. I want new followers.
It's Paul, man.
And then with Twitter is KessieGH0, and then Facebook is Kessie Stifler. Yeah, I'm a Stifler. So if you know Stifler, you know what it means. So that's all from me. So Charlie, continue.
On a more serious note, guys, don't forget to subscribe. It's very important.
Yeah.
Subscribe. We need you guys to help us in the subscription. You have to subscribe. It's very important.
Yeah.
Very important.
Yeah. Charlie,
I know you watching me. I know. I can see you subscribe.
Yeah.
Subscribe. I don't feel. We shall subscribe. Hey, I told you. Subscribe. Mr. Charlie, they talk to you. Subscribe. Please just subscribe. Man.
Alright, come.
Today we will talk about relationship.
Ish.
Yeah, that matter it tells a
I go
lot
deep.
about relationship. Charlie. So if in all no Charlie, they talk say what be relationship? What do you mean by relationship? How do you understand relationship? Because me, how I understand relationship be connection between two people, whether platonic, family, or any other. Yeah. So how you see them? Maybe they talk platonic, be intimate. You get connection and something.
Strong.
Yeah.
Jenny mwana mijige ni mse kule efrabie bi kule gripping.
Something that is stronger than appetite. You see that thing? Stronger than appetite.
So how you the Bible?
Kule gripping.
Oh, I see. The same way, bro.
What wa jimi na kwasi
You see, Charlie be Charlie.
The same way saying.
The states where two people are connected together.
but sometimes people feel be say it is like a way in which two or more people or things are connected. It can be things.
The way the rep was you.
I'm not gonna lie to you.
The way the rep was you.
The more it's a way.
This is Prof Sugar.
Charlie, it's the way that.
I do.
So Charlie, you can see.
Oh me, it's a bond between people. or it's a bond between people or something.
Yeah, there's a great bond on that.
1844.
More than same way they do what you.
I don't know.
Yeah. You see, every brother and
What you guys said too is true, Charlie. Now you guys in relationship. Are you in a relationship?
Me? No, I'm not.
Yeah.
I'm in a relationship.
Hey, with the more chilly.
Over any day. That's life for you.
Yeah, any guess? Yeah, blow.
When I'm over there.
So how do you say relationship to be? Is it money involving or does it demand time?
You see,
You know, in
Africa
general,
here-
how do you understand relationship? Let's say you forget to book there, you know. Right? You come on a system, on a society.
You see, Africa here or Ghana, let me be precise. Ghana here,
Yeah.
when we talk about relationship, it entails a lot, as you said earlier on.
Yeah.
But you see, to me, in my own relationship, it's time and money.
Time and money.
Yeah.
Why time and money?
Because ladies of nowadays, they want money.
This is fact. This thing is fact, pa.
Hey,
Without money, they don't want to stay with you.
you sure?
I tell you, I have a friend whose girlfriend even asks money when he wants the girl to call him.
Information we are saying. Oh no, never cost.
Oh yeah,
True story.
true story. I
Hey.
can show you proof. I have chats.
So time and money.
Oh yeah. You see, I'm getting ladies here in the country, Ghana,
Yeah.
who will tell you, I don't want your money, I want your love. They are scams.
Hey.
They are scams. I tell you, bro. Why are you not in a relationship with yourself?
I understand.
I'm not a fresh boy, so Charlie.
Oh no, it's not about your freshness. Do you know ugly people who have girlfriends here?
I'll be there.
Because they have money.
Patapa.
Yeah, because he has money.
Patapa is really married. But
He's
you.
married.
Because you get money.
No more.
You see the thing?
No more.
Yeah,
What
wait.
you talk? Hey, Charlie, hey.
No,
Somebody.
but the way himself knows, it's not like I'm the one saying it.
see,
But somebody.
but you get money.
Go season.
You see.
So just imagine you have the cash flow. You are free to
Now
go.
and then the girls go full.
Oh yeah, it's
Right?
because you don't have the money.
This is it no be always everything be about money.
Yeah.
Yeah, you go fit get someone who is very loyal to you, who doesn't ask for money and all and other things. But that girl, he died like 1841 ago. Because according to what they say, it's true. I quite remember my friend told me that he has gotten a new girlfriend, everything was successful, they are chilling and other stuff. When the boy go low, no, but the girl block him.
You see, I have a friend. I wouldn't mention his name. This guy used to save a lot. In fact, he had money because what he was getting from his dad, he was saving, and then he had enough money. And then I can say sometimes we guys we run to him for help, but now he's broke because he found himself a new girlfriend. And you know something? It's something different. I don't even get it. Ghana here. You see, this guy, the reason why he's down is that he has to. Everything is new in his life now. I don't even know how to put it. Like the girl, they want everything for inside.
Hey.
Oh, this my guy. I tell you, I get stories. I get party. I have a friend who was dating a lady, and the lady called this friend of mine one day, and then the lady, I think my friend, he helped the lady in getting an apartment.
Hey, I did that.
He did everything himself, yeah. And then where the lady was living, I think the lady's landlord was also there. The lady once called my guy and told my guy, yo, sweetheart, whatever the scam names. And what is this? I miss you, and then what do you want? And you know my landlord's wife hasn't eaten since morning. So I want you to send me 50 cedis, so I'll give it to her.
Hey.
Oh yeah.
What the key?
Yeah, I have a friend who even takes care of the lady's family.
That's 50 cedis is going to.
Also, I said,
Taking it for the so on a more serious note, is this part of the guy?
Nah.
Just think of this. Where is this one coming from? It's serious.
The
Like,
girl they use in mind give the guy. You see the guy they feel him wow.
you see,
You know, say sometimes if you date,
Yeah.
when you start the shower and the girl plus she they make addicted to them.
That one
Yeah,
there,
it
see
be
say
true,
girls
but-
them be like
but
this.
sugar, you see, say
Girls them be like
you see, say right
If
now,
not take money.
the thing be say, and not be say
Follow
go shower and plus money. no money, I'm not coming to you. That's the thing.
That's the key, man.
But I'm coming. But then with me, I don't see those things. The reason I know is that they really want attention. That's the one I mean. Because me, I don't have. Okay, the person I'm dating, I don't think the person really likes money.
Okay.
You get it. It's just that if you don't give her attention for like some time, she gets angry easy. Like, okay, you didn't text me, you didn't call me, you said you text, you said you call, you didn't call. It's not, she doesn't really ask for money.
Hey, are you seriously?
You get it. And I have other friends too that, okay, that was other girls I was trying to date before I dated this one. They were not really money centered like that.
Okay.
Get it. They were not really money centered. Like they just like attention. But the most important thing is that what I see in girls is that they really like attention. Because I have a friend who gives girls attention a lot, but he doesn't really have money. But then with attention alone, the girls really like him. Just because
Normal
of
basis.
attention.
Yeah.
You get it. Someone can have a girlfriend. Okay, my friend like this, he has a girlfriend. He had a girlfriend. They've broken up now, so.
Wow.
The guy had a car.
Yeah.
Give the girl phone. No, he
I
started
mean,
with an
he had
ex.
everything.
Yeah, he started with an ex. He bought a girl XS Max.
Hey.
Then later the girl said, and the XS Max, what's it? She wants to change it. So the guy changed it to 11 Pro. She was using 11 Pro and she said it got missing.
Hey.
So the guy said, okay, he doesn't have enough cash right now. So
Yeah.
like he wants to give her the XS Max.
Yeah.
And
The
she was
girls.
like, okay. Then they gave her the XS Max. And then she said she has seen the 11 Pro. So by the XS Max, she can't find it anymore.
She can't find it.
How?
Is it missing?
Oh, I don't know. So that one was not even an issue. So later, the guy came to the area, the girl's area, came to visit the girl. And he used to come there once a while.
So already the guy need be Mr. Uche.
Oh, it's not that kiss Miss Zosia, but you that, but I'm saying it.
Okay. At the rushing.
The guy came there one day and he saw his friend, like his old time friend. That's like one guy from school. I think, yeah, he said school. So he met that guy in the area and he was like, hey, do you live here? And the guy was like, oh yeah, I do. This. And they had some chats and all that. Then he said, oh, I came to see my girl. He was like, hey, from where you came to see someone here? I was like, oh yeah, this is where my woman is, so I just came to see her. They're like, oh, okay. Oh, there, I get her. I will see your girl.
Yeah.
And the guy was like, oh, she's in the house. You next time when I come, I'll link you up so that we'll be together. So the next time when the guy came, he linked the guy and then he went to see the girl. And he saw the girl. And I was like, okay, just keep quiet. So later when the guy was about to go, he said if the guy is going, he should call him. So when he came back, when he was about leaving, that was my friend, when he was about leaving, and he called the other guy that, oh, I'm going, so just come. And then the guy came around and he said, are you dating this girl? I said, yes. That's your girlfriend? I said, yes. I said, hey, Charlie, she's dating the Momo guy here. Hey! Like, which Momo guy? Like, the guy just, there was a container there.
So, from the phones, the money.
Me, myself, I'm just his friend like that. If I call him, yo, Charlie, what's up? I didn't need credit, Charlie, you get credits. Just give me.
Yeah. I was giving you the small tips.
He can't even give me 50 cedis, me.
Hey.
Me that he don't do anything plus, no.
So
he can just give me 50
cedis.
So what?
You understand? And when they asked the girl, she was like, you used to send me credits. That's why.
Hey.
Credits.
So then take credits.
Just credits.
I don't take madness. I don't take far.
And the guy was like, but you ask me for money. You can ask, babe, I need this. I'll send it to you. Babe, I need this. I'll send it to you. Babe, I need this. I'll send it to you. So
very sure.
The guy was like, Makisi, I know they understand women or how.
No go back.
Then your party they give the guy attention.
He's not really the attention type. You understand? So that's why I'm saying that the whole thing is centered on attention because the Momo guy had time for The mobile guy could sing on phone and everything. Oh.
That's
Hey.
intention.
Oh, like
Yes.
like Charlie. Oh, let me
Feed it
for you
sense.
so that you sleep.
Yeah, what the so this is better than a singer.
And then the girl.
But according to Charlie research that I have did, girls saying some girls are based almost 5 girls. So okay, what do you need in a relationship? Some will say I need attention, some say money, some say oh, just your time.
You see, excuse me, with what he said, let me chip in with something.
Hey.
Yeah, that's the word chip. Charlie. That's Mr. Charlie for you.
Oh, the chip.
You see, I have my Charlie dictionary. So you want me to fake. You see, I get one party. Let me go it this way. I get one party where he really love him woman. Yeah, where this man party at the top of him. Where song you know they sing the woman make it sleep. I know they like what you know they give do get about. See, if you dey plaza man, if you take 50 hours, talk.
Hey!
He dey talk like the woman. In poppy the call I no go pick.
50 hours.
Oh yeah, 5,000 hours half is okay. Oh no, I did try tell you something. Like if you the bad me, he get time give this baby.
Yeah.
Bro, everything they go on well. Last he and the baby talk like this morning now. Oh baby, how are you? I'm fine. I miss you too. Then things.
Yeah, then
Call end. The baby sound call again. Baby, I need a favor. What's the favor? My auntie Bio, she's in trouble. Then. So I want 600 cities for her. Hey. So the guy be like, oh, hey. So I did deal. The guy be like, trouble. So he told the girl say, you don't give money now. So the girl was like, you let me call you back. I'm coming. So he was like, he told me, this is my girl there. She loves me so much. You see he talk say they come. You know being base, no be matter. The baby call and tell him say, so he say no, we're going to give me. Now some guy be serve the force me say he then go come out and things so. The guy became boy. So if your mind not there, then night be Saturday, your mind not there, like 10 day, your mind not there. Oh, okay, then me I will follow the guy.
Hey, are you kidding me?
Like Joe. The girl can post for status. See the other guy go take the money. Oh, you see this life, what Kelsey they come, where the Kelsey they come from? I didn't understand.
sorry.
Every bro, then you know say we get some guys before they know they love football.
Oh, that one you did.
Yeah, some guys be to know they love basketball.
Yeah,
You know that be a boy in life. Some babies be they see then they pull of money inside, then still they want your money.
The one you did.
I have a friend, be down for new mess. Confirm. The guy not get anything, but woman he get the woman changing life. Oh yeah, the woman changing life.
Wow. Then it started.
If you show you go say the woman get broken heart and thing, we start the talk like the woman. For the woman in Benz inside, you know that.
Nah,
Today the woman rent give her them things.
Charlie, forgive you small woman.
You see life, that be like, but somebody they come extract everything from you more than extraction part 2. You see that thing? Oh, be serious.
That one you did.
Oh yeah, I say I know
So
friends.
ready. What do women really want in relationship?
That is the thing. That's why
question
some
there,
guys
if
said
you only
even
God
God can't answer this unless we meet God in heaven and then He tell us this. That's it. See, the one you think doesn't like money.
Yeah.
Ah,
I want this one. My friend be from Shodi. My name I'll not mention it. She had a guy. The guy gave her all attention. Oh, a friend on the pan, you're chatting, how you doing? They can maybe say be about Yamano. Then some more love. So like 5 months into the relationship, the girl chatted me out like Charlie Kwame. I can't continue dating him. I was like, what's up? Is it cheating on you? What's the matter? So no. I said, what's happening? And that didn't make you happy. So no, that's all it. He's too caring. I was like, how?
You see the problem.
See, he's too caring. He calls me all the time. Even if I'm angry at him, you apologize. I was like, hey, so what do you really need in this relationship? He was like, oh, I want a guy who's not too caring. I want a guy who can go like 1 week without calling me. I was like, hey, Charlie, you get somebody who will be caring and things that they want. Eventually, the girl broke up with the guy because the guy was too caring. I was like, wow.
you see that thing?
So this, you did try. Rebecca Sama, I did
But so give me something. This is where communication comes in. If you're in a relationship, 1, you have to communicate. 2, you have to have trust. 3, support each other.
God bless you. Thank you for the words so sweet.
You understand? And you have to create boundaries too. maybe what we were talking about, to see the code and they talk about.
Yeah.
Maybe
What
if the guy
say-
call you too much, you go fit tell am so. This be the thing. You do what? After all, you just chalk like 2 days or 3 days.
You see, one thing need to assist I notice be say some girlies, or let me say girls don't like too much calls.
Oh, Sam.
Oh, you some more.
Do you know why I'm saying this? I had a girlfriend when we met fresh.
Yeah.
It was a bumpy story.
You had a girlfriend.
Yeah, I had.
Okay.
We are no more. You see, 2018, way back, and this girl, we fit talk from 8 to the next day.
Hey.
I quite remember one day, me get this baby they talk for phone top and where they ring. My phone go low back. Where I charge the phone and they do the call. So then that striking went from my ear. All this she left me.
I leave you.
You see,
Say, turn down fire.
if I am. So you see, so what if I die? Me who was here who? You see that thing? So the thing is say everything you go give right there say. See, it's the only God. It's the only God. That be the thing. Oh. See, Nana, if I dey talk this thing well, brothers, if I dey talk this thing well, babies then day 2021. Even the ones them born them now, see things in the carry camp, see twerking and things. Or do 2022, 2023, I don't remember. Yes, computer world. So things be different now.
Generation X now, Charlie.
You see, now things they happen, you be serious. Like,
If you not get car, make you know.
that be the thing. Then they go tell you say you the foot wagon.
Yeah.
Yeah,
The whole thing has been setting of money too much.
Yeah, yeah.
that's the thing.
Right now, almost everyone
That's the
likes
thing.
money. Every girl
So far,
likes
see,
money.
in Ghana, so far as you enter a relationship, you have to be rich.
That's all your orphanage.
Unless you
Sometimes, surely.
more than
That one more
yeah.
than the party surely. So you
Yeah.
party, I'm no. Oh, can I ask a favor?
Yeah, even not in
Why?
a relationship.
Why?
like
My
the girls,
name
yeah.
be for favor.
There's only one.
Can you do me a favor?
there was
Can you
one
send me
girl when I
credit?
spoke
Can you do this?
There was
What
one
is
girl when
this?
I spoke to, she was like, oh, she doesn't really need your money. Just that if you're a visionary person and she sees that, okay, where we are going to, this guy has
Vision,
something to do in life.
Oh, dream.
That's all. She'll just be with you.
Oh,
Then she also supports in a way she can,
Support.
any
Yeah.
way she can just help you achieve your dreams. She knows after that, when she gets there, if right now the guy becomes despite, the next despite, do you think he's going to leave the girl?
Oh, no.
And then one
Yeah.
thing.
But I
too,
got
want
to. That girl, they are very hard to find.
Yes.
One thing.
This is fact. This thing is fact, pa.
I
They
want
are
to
very
correct
important,
here
that's
is
the thing.
Very hard.
some guys say it's because of these rich guys, these game boys. They've changed our ladies. That's not the whole case. You see,
But some ladies don't like Game Boy.
if
Oh,
you
yeah,
are
yeah,
determined, that's the point. If you are determined, you are determined in life.
Oh, that one ain't true.
Oh yeah. Do you know those going to school, Legon, UCC, some are there to learn and make it in life.
Oh, yeah. Some to
I
that.
remember 2015 when I entered GTUC. We were in class and then we had break. We all had to go out. We went out. We came, they've taken someone's laptop.
Hey.
So our sociology madam, she was a lawyer.
Yeah.
She came in and she was like, I've been here for like 15 years. Some are not here to learn. They are here to steal. Some are here to have affair. Oh yeah, you be in class and then someone will just no go. Just order taxi. Go take taxi. That time I bought in anything because 2015. And it'll be common like today. Taxi then thing, then I go hotel, you can't chop off hotel, you make up. That be in fishing for life inside. He gets somebody said, I know, I think so. He said, I will chop 50 girls before I go finish school. That be own.
Hey.
I know some guy between come GTC. He dey zook in popping in old ref. He come out. He pay 3 girls, 4 girls. You know they spend, but everybody in life.
But you're stroke.
You know they care. You know they care. You see, the thing is saying. The thing is saying. You see, therefore understand say no bro they change no bro.
Oh, that one you did.
If parents wanna parent they will say who will send me but no see this so you this for my kid. That thing you know they happen.
No, that one.
Yeah, if
know your kid,
you be robber or unrobber, where be your type? Me I get parties for Bawi. I no go mention him. If you go Bawi, secret places, I no go fit mention. I'll go now then they smoke. I dey tap them like this, plus them, then they smoke. I never go smoke. School, secondary school, my school father, then my squad, then they smoke. Scattefic bear, we all the feel run. Then baby free. I never smoke till now. Because I had the intention, say my dad told me, say if I do it, my bottom. So I had that fear inside me. You see life. But then Obi-Wan, bottom history man. You see like so Obian to me say Obiao, no bro fist for
Nobody
I mean what Reagan was saying with the communication, Charlie. I'm saying communication is key.
But they don't communicate.
Yes.
You get it.
When you communicate to you're saying you're too caring.
That's the thing.
When you don't communicate to you don't care about me.
You see, the reason why.
But relax. With that one said, the communication is key because if you tell me I don't like too much attention, then I know okay.
That's communication.
Then I'll not worry myself. Oh, I like attention.
See,
call me, text me every day. This is okay, fine. You get it. But sometimes when I'm chatting with the person, oh, I like attention. I chat with, I'm busy. I'm doing something. I'll call you later.
You see, the reason why most of guys of nowadays they don't like communicating with their ladies is sometimes we comes with a lot. Conversation where they are. Then, baby, please do you remember you said you do this for me? Baby, please, can you get me Brazilian hair? Brazilian hair? Oh, papa to Brazilian hair, man. Come baby, Sammy. That's the thing. See, some ladies will gather that courage and tell you, go out and make money. Your friends are making money. If your dad made money, will you come and follow me?
Oh, nah, that one there.
Right, you come help you. You see, some things they should understand that it's not our fault.
Yeah. We are all fault. Nah.
But we've not gotten to that point.
That's the thing.
It's time. That's
the thing.
You can't.
So if I'm telling my fellow youth or guys out there, if a lady or your lady is stressing you, I'm not saying break up with you.
Oh, for dog.
Think about yourself, okay?
Now, yeah, bro, you can't make it in life. Where's the money? And then you have to give everything out. Oh, brother,
and don't listen to what you hear on the radio.
No, they wouldn't help you.
And then they follow somebody, Charlie. If not get money, then alone. You know what they need to do? Abi Cardi B say, I don't cook, I don't clean. Then. But some video will come out. She was cleaning, she was cooking. So which is which? I'm not the end.
Everything you do in this life, there will be a bat. I used to enjoy Dr. Pound's show way back. I think once he hosted a show and then he was like, that day was like, any guy will get bounce for lady inside. So people were calling, big people, bounce. I kind time I went to follow this girl give me bounce. No busy. So he said his part of his story. He said his own story. And this guy called. So many people and this guy called. Dr. Pounce, me, I never get bounce for my life inside. He just cut the call. You know why? If you know what Tossy, this girl never approached better girl before. On a more serious note in your life, if you go follow better girls, you go take bounce.
No, they bounce in normal.
But if you they follow then kiddies no. Bouncing no be your level. It be happiness, they never go bounce you. You see, me like this.
You chop bounce before.
I chop bounce before. Oh, so many times.
Or maybe they bounce then.
I feel chop bounce then block together.
Chop bounce. I don't know.
We're bouncing there.
Sometimes if you bounce you, then they call you. You say I got call. I go see how man side they call me. You bounce me, you they call me. You see Mr. Charlie they call me. I don't know you.
I feel get bounce more than bouncing castle. Bang.
I just bounce once or twice.
Hey, Onguru.
Once or twice.
But you see the point is so far as you
so when you talk you say you let's see you when I'm ready I'll let you know. But you better years.
So Mr. Talibi say that in the BC how many years? I just want to know. Oh, I know. How many? I know what this how many weeks? How many years? I will tell you. I say, tell me if when you are not some waiting for 1 year.
And I made them come here. Oh, tell me the truth. Then come here, tell me. Yeah. Tell me.
Oh, tell me the truth. Tell me the truth.
Tell me the truth. Tell Mr. Charlie the truth.
I mean, come here now.
You see that thing?
I mean, you see some guys if they get bounce or something, they started. This the girl, he saw the girl, hey, what you say, blah blah. I mean, Charlie, I don't do the anything so. It be your choice, it be your preference. If you don't really want me, somebody too they want me. If somebody too really like you.
See, when you move
so
outside, when you move out
Obi a wonderful.
outside Ghana or outside Africa, it's so there. Ladies do take money from guys.
Yeah,
They
but
want.
the
But the
be-
point is they help each other. You see, she will take from you and then she will make sure she help you when you are in need. But here, when you are in need,
Then the best.
she wants to take everything from you and then she doesn't want you to return a dime.
That is support.
Yeah.
You support
See,
each other.
support here is less.
Yes.
See, if like base every Ghanaian girl say what he do giving guy before, no go fit talk.
Or some people.
Sample, just less. It be less. It be 10%.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just-
Ten
yeah,
percent.
they're very
The rest, your
Why is
birthday
it-
self, a king was born. Hey, mommy, my catch you smoking though.
Oh, we can't go to
Give me the so a king was born. That's in the what
If you reach the maten, you go see the new.
a king was born saying, I sense I'll be king.
No, but with ladies, even if on her birthday you don't buy anything, you should know that some other guys will buy something. You get it. So that's why sometimes you always be like, I need gifts. Then before you see one guy is buying, the guy who bought it,
That one they do.
you should be watching him because Charlie, you don't know what you can do.
That one they do. That one they. If you
See
be sure
this
there.
guy's issue. Gambo.
Yeah.
2K. 2K.
Wages.
Can't take it.
Can't take it.
Guy friends don't need it.
Yeah.
5 minutes later.
Like with this Gambo issue.
Hey, you can't trend though. Can't trend.
But the guy.
Oh, some guy be doing Instagram. You get money.
Like he's a rapper. he's a-
Wait.
he has
You-
money. He just said someone's girlfriend.
2,000.
2K. That was it.
Then the girl released cross that. He started calling boy opener.
Come and tell me.
I'm available every day.
Available.
No, it's small
Wow,
words, small
Charlie,
terms.
I'm available.
Charlie,
I'm
everywhere you go more than MTN.
Right.
Today,
I say some babes,
Money,
there are some girls out there. You can give every dime of yours, everything you have. She works off. You can give her 1,000 cedis. In 30 minutes time, she will come and tell you she wants airtime 5 cedis.
Yeah.
Or the money is finished. That's all.
Well, then girls, if you know, that always they talk say, never sacrifice or maybe you don't have everything in your means. Don't go and sacrifice for the person because of love.
But see,
If
on
you don't
a
have
more
it, you don't
serious
have it.
note, even the Bible said it. The
Don't
man is the head.
sacrifice. Yes.
So even if you are entering into a relationship, the man is to be the head. The man is always the head.
Oh, no,
It's a must. You see, but the thing is, I know my lady wants something. I have to do. I know, but not the way it's going now. You see, the thing is, my lady, but I see, I've not heard from you for some days. Oh, I don't have credit to for something. I've not seen. I know I have to send if I have. Hey, you don't send me credit. How do I call you? Hey, you see, it's a different.
And my friends are saying this.
Personally say it. When you call, I don't have credit to. On the day beyond only credit.
That's why I ata.
And you so can only credit. Now me what if I'm not getting
But it come sugar. The way they disturb one fanboy, wait, I know they trust say no get baby. No, we for look into this case. FBI for come inside. No. You know something? FBI will come the case inside. We go search the case inside.
So if sugar chop bounce, I mean the
Bounces.
hey.
That player, African player, will be the bouncy.
Bounce.
You know, chop triple bounce.
If I go on, go do me a crop
Bouncy.
Come,
No.
Hey,
Charlie.
see, you see sugar. As they talk, say chop bounce.
Yeah.
It be money.
Why? What? Maybe the girl no one did.
It be money. No. It be money. It be money.
Just if I get car,
See, Sugar tell me some story. He say, Sugar tell me some story. He say, Baby, he dey fool Baby dey feel am. I dey come, Baby, dey everything. The Baby business say he dey use iPhone. Scoff that the Baby no follow am again.
So we dey use Android there.
So here they tell you say be money. Sugar carry in cargo, the Baby inside right there. That boy Nasty Black go carry the money, what the girl, then sound load the money. Money and shit.
Charlie, no be small.
But it's not all women, no.
Yes,
It be
you
some.
understand. That's the
It be
thing.
some.
There are some kind of girls when you know that. You see, when I have money, I know the kind of girls I'll choose.
Yeah.
Like I know,
Hello?
not like when I have money, I'm going to chase
Yeah.
those girls. But then I'm saying that, assuming maybe
Yeah.
I'm in a relationship and I have money. I know when I go to this girl, I need money to go. So if I have money or if I have a car, I'll just go and park. Then I'll talk to her. I'll get her. You get it. But some girls are there. Forget your car, forget your house, forget your money, forget what.
Even that, guy. Nothing.
They don't mind you.
They be one in a million.
Yes.
You get it. So don't mind you. Some people are there that don't mind you because me
Have
when
a
I was in
girlfriend,
school, we had some cars 1 or 2 times we were driving in school. You can go and park by a girl. Some of them they tell you, I'm not interested.
See, I have a girlfriend here. I'll tell you guys this story. I have a girlfriend here. I already
You
mentioned
had
it.
or you have?
I have.
Okay.
That's my current girlfriend.
Oh, okay.
Just relax. Yours is on the way coming, bro.
From where?
It will be stronger than appetite. 2022. Don't worry. You see, she had a friend. She had a friend. This friend of hers introduced her to one sugar daddy.
Hey, bro.
And yeah, this lady wasn't interested. My lady wasn't interested. So you see, friends with this pushing and stuff.
Peer pressure.
Yeah. One day she was there and this friend of hers called her to go and escort her to go and see someone. The friend didn't tell her they were going to see the sugar daddy. So they got there. It was a planned thing. They had planned it.
So I said to my sugar daddy.
So they left to the place and then when they reached the house, according to my woman, the Range Rover 2. I mean, beautiful things
Yeah.
that they would have. Nice house. Maza, beautiful things. Hey, you know, Mr. Charlie and that things. So they entered and then the friend of hers was like, this is the sugar daddy. He didn't tell me we were coming here. So I'm sorry. She gave me 2,000 cedis, so I had to. So the lady was like, the friend was like, I'm coming, let me get some drinks. I said, but the drinks will be in the fridge, so I'm coming. She left. So this my girl was with the sugar daddy, they were talking, and then the sugar daddy was like, just come and see my room. He said, no, I can't see your room.
And now them penny need the house.
Nah, the man they can't chop. Oh, not be by force rape. Where the girl, I don't know how she did it. And then she got out. I tell you, I met this girl a virgin. You see, the fact is, the truth about this girl, the whole show is, she doesn't like us.
Wow.
And Kikino. See, couple of times that she showed me, I've been with her class, like Menena, then I'll be in front, class will stop. Say, you wouldn't know that she's something to me. Class will stop and then she'll give out a number. But from far, she can even give out my number. I just straight calls. I met you. He gave you my number. Why you the mad man? I gave you my number. Then she so it'll be like, did someone call you? This I gave the number to you.
No be small this thing, but this the girl.
You see, she's not interested. If she wants, if she's into that life, and come to my car by this car, her personal car. Just imagine the sugar daddy had an affair with her. Your baby man. But at that time she went to see the sugar. She needed money for something serious, but she didn't do it. She would have taken the money there.
What if the sugar daddy had ace?
That's it. Okay, fine. Let's say the sugar daddy will say, "I'll use condom. I'll give you everything." But who knows tomorrow? That's your destiny. You see,
sugar daddy
I'm not saying the sugar daddy is into blood money or
Well,
something.
they did.
Where's some don't story?
Charlie.
You see,
Charlie.
You see,
What's
the thing is, now
Yeah,
this
2020
world,
happened,
2021, and the years ahead, ladies and the people inside the world right there, they know they fear anything.
Oh, yeah.
Someone will tell you that's Moesha's story. Mine wouldn't be like hers. I'm living my life. Do you know how she enjoyed before she got there? Let me also enjoy. You see the thing? That's the most painful thing. But at first, they will tell you there's a problem we go say, oh, so what done for a boy says she found so at least you've seen Moesha's story. At least. For advise yourself. No. She wants to get there and experience it. I know who says it. So they tell you a friend of yours went to the zoo. And then obey wearing a jatache no way. Also person ko na obey na jatache ore.
Yes, they pay him food to this and social.
It's something else.
So
That's why
social pet.
That's why most youth, plenty people in Africa, in the country, are falling down. See, we have whites or we have blacks who have money and then they are loaded and they are cool. See Hush Puppy.
That guy can't tension people.
You see, the pressure can't give the world. No. That's why they then track away and get down.
I mean, money no be good
You
money.
see, yeah. You just imagine say, we get people that they do illegal money. Not good money. Then get leaders and things. But if you're on the low, you never go see. You see, but Scott they give them things. They go do no. So viewers, baby first and come.
Charlie, why you give me
Baby first and come.
Nah, we somebody in film now.
Baby first and come. So
We somebody in film now.
who that?
so
The show we are going first and foremost. The show we are going to stone. Waiting for our academy there.
which one?
The show we could do that.
Who do you on Dennis?
You know me that this thing will this one not be.
That's the girl.
Wow, from your friend.
Hey, come, why you want kiss on?
Hey, Jay.
You
So
don't.
you my baby when you do something, give me
I will
that.
do something.
Hey, one man, two man. Hey, boys.
He is having 200 grand.
Make I see.
I do something for one man.
So
That-
I
that- Yeah, me I pay you. I pay keep.
That's a matter.
I
Baby first is just
Charlie.
The girl you posted.
so
Yeah.
show baby first. Show am.
She's the one.
Sure.
She's nice.
So guys, you see, that's Sherry Coco for you for life. Yo,
Charlie, so you wanna baby, they don't do so you will do.
I will do something.
So guys, with relationship experience,
So
we
Jay,
have-
you how
we have
the
Lee
believe
Matthews.
in
Jay
relationship.
Matthews. So he will sit and then give us more on it. So tap then give me.
Relationship is more of like.
Oh, I will buy you a new phone. Mr. Charlie.
Relationship is more of like you being committed. But in this generation, this 21st century, it's like the guys are not more committed to the girls because
Why are you saying the guys are no more committed to the girls?
because a lot of girls are into money. So all the guys need now is to knock and go.
So now it's not a guy's
that's
fault.
true.
It's not our fault. It's not a guy's fault because you said the ladies are
So
into
what
money.
do you seek in relationship?
So are you dating yourself?
Oh yeah, I'm dating. Seriously dating.
So
how
how do
many
you find
years?
your relationship?
Oh, 2 years. 2 years now.
Wow.
Yeah.
Is it the money type
Oh no.
or the type?
My relationship is on the low. It's a cool vibe kind of relationship.
Hey, on the low,
Can you show us pictures?
Oh,
Why are you on the low?
If somebody is fine, they like you, but as you talk, say
Yeah.
I mean the faithful guy, boy. Charlie, we know the cheat too. We know the cheat. Black man don't cheat.
Okay, pictures of my girlfriend. Oh, that one I can't disclose it right now, but
Okay.
as
As
time
time
goes
goes
on,
on, you go
yeah,
see.
you're gonna see it.
On the television, flick.
So I'm sure viewers are sure. Just for finding them.
they do him on the line.
Get money, yeah.
Even see Shatabando.
Yeah, Shatamado.
So that
I
guy.
just want me birthday, and one girl. Say, hey,
So the girl you kiss him.
you can watch this one. But okay, fine. You see, there are
Benny
other people
taste.
like that.
Behind taste.
But then forget, the girl never will go that person in there.
Oh yeah, that
There are other people like that. But then assume maybe that guy. came.
Some girls say they no get how they call am. Let's say I don't know say this be the right sweater. They not get more out. Anything goes. So you know the best. In quotes. I dey beg you.
Mesrel. You got to do good for.
I dey beg you.
In quote, morals, in quote.
In quote, like everything me have for the money. You know the base say.
Yeah, everything for the money. Yeah,
You
that's
do
true.
born then you will count then you go do things plus some. I can't tell about the no money my day you know. No you believe.
That's how the hook up girls. Those girls, I'm really scared for them because see, someone can call you. Hello, I'm here. Okay, I'll change location. I'm here now.
Send me
And they
Momo.
still go.
All they know is send me Momo.
And you still go. Hey,
I'll
what
come.
if you go and then
Send
the
me
person
your
is-
location,
and
I
then
will
you
come.
get there and then the person kills
And
you.
now the hookup girls, then they be pass child girls for them. This one.
Oh yeah. Right?
Go and sit.
Brianna.
He's just look at him again. Have you seen our editor King Kwams Afanchologas? He's single and ready to mingle. It's up. It's up as soon as possible.
God bless you. Thank you for the words so sweet.
Wait, too sure.
Giant bro. But with the commitment, man, I've heard a lot of stories and I've experienced some with my friends. I've seen a guy who was committed to the girl. Zana ho, ni name wa bunsun cry.
A long run broken heart.
About
A long run broken heart.
I had to go bed. My mom said this. My aunt
But guys, let me advise you. In this modern era like this, if you are dating, you don't have to go deeply with your heart. It has to be with the mind. Because the heart is a little bit soft. but the mind is a little is stronger.
The appetite.
Only that part-time man.
So,
Like yes,
so I'm advising you guys, please.
why?
Thank you.
So I will say heart knows what.
Oh yeah, I'm advising
No,
you.
but
guys.
when you go your heart, it's very serious. Bro. Like when you
Yeah, when you go with your heart and you get a broken heart,
Very serious.
you might tear
Never had
an
that-
artery.
Have you gotten a broken heart before? You.
It's a super story of good food and health.
It means a lot. It means
Silence with consent.
So you've been in a relationship before.
Oh yeah, that
So
one.
what happened? Can you tell us something about
Broken
it?
heart.
What happened?
When was that? So 2015 something. And the girl. I never suspected. I said so she would do me.
You never expected it.
I never expected it. Charlie. Really like, oh, we did everything. They go all fine. Wait, one time you call one busy, I'll call you back. Then, to me, all my mind they say, oh, this is my mind day. So last time I went on, she say, oh, Charlie, how are they feel no for talking the truth? Well, you know the time you talking my truth, my birthday.
Pain! I am in severe pain!
Hey,
Who pass?
on them.
Wait, she didn't break your heart. She broke your body.
Birthday way. She said today be my day.
Your
after-
happiest day.
Oh.
She broke your body.
So I guess I'm surprised to give you then we should talk also.
It's serious.
I'm having friends with benefits and I can so stop joking.
Friends with what?
Benefits. That's so stop joking. So
FWB.
But our friends will benefit me. I'm not. She likes the guy
I'm not gonna lie you.
That's the thing, yeah.
because you can't.
Because they get what she want from the guy.
And my mom is the guy too.
They go knock
This
out.
one be what?
They go knock out.
I mean, I be kidding. I don't know anything. Also.
But me no be now with the date on she never
If it's science for adults, if you grow up, you go know.
she never
young.
When he gets there,
now she know they base me for money so Charlie me
Yeah, you got an angel.
Charlie
Yeah.
is saying hi
so you were happy.
more than Delilah. Hey,
You were the Samson.
Charlie.
Oh, Samson, they like that.
So you cut your hair.
I mean my body is in yeah.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
Why the baby say, oh, I'll go in there so we could talk about it. So, don't worry, I'll not pick up with you, Kwame. Oh, Kwame, if you leave me, I'll die. Papa, no,
Now you're dead.
hey, I did cry some boom. I catch us now, clink. Yeah, hello, yeah, let's break up. Hey!
I said,
That day my eye on me pray.
You see Cholo guys here, comes here. Because of this lady, you can ask him, Matthew. Hey, this guy, I don't know what the lady told this guy. Then I think say for slim down the dentist. Wait,
Enter.
Yazo. Wait, this guy.
Yes.
No be small.
Yazo hockey.
No be small training. No be small training.
Why they shout? This be low key.
I figure out you can
You come now, we dey talk now, come now, Charlie.
tap floor.
Tap floor.
Ready for scrap. What's up? Tap it.
Wait, this guy, and no be small rolling he dey do. No be small jogging. Scrub the baby.
Quams.
Oh yeah, Ajay, he dey do video. Guys, my first sermon, more than Black Sheriff. My second sermon, more than Black. I don't know. The sermon will go
I
out.
love what they are saying.
Ready, I'm chasing
You see, now comes the sermon back.
What are science?
He get 20.
I can't sit down.
Oh yes, for the baby. I think say the baby tell him say, Ajay, make them put the go football training. Don't see. 3 we go meet once. Oh, what are you? We go meet there. Then I go now go see for instance. Second sermon, I say, Kuku Sam.
But then I don't number 6. No, the 6. I don't number 20.
We just have to be.
That's in there. You pay me also since that day. If you bang him, I know they won't bank you.
You do what?
That girl in name, if we get away, you get that name so much. Cause me Strumba, hey. Hey, for.
One to that weekend, what's his name? Could you shout him?
No, be deep down. Fedi Benku.
Shoba. What the funny say with Jimmy? Shoba. What the funny say with Jimmy?
Why do you come? So how the bad relationship?
It depends. Sometimes some people get it in a good way, some people get it in a bad way. So that one they depend. I know fit talk your matter, not my matter.
For papa, oh, you pass champagne. What Jimmy papa, what it? When you say fresh milk, Kasia.
So
So the way me I see relationship be cool give me something cool give me.
Yeah, it go cool give am because yeah, they will go play matter. You know be the boy go play.
Hey,
Discover
you
I
dey
tell
lie.
you
You
something.
dey lie.
Mosquitoes dey chill me through mosquitoes.
Where this go?
This
I
guy
don't
there
take go.
mosquitoes inside.
I don't take
When the
go.
mosquitoes they have them a personal meeting. That be why hello baby. You know the phone say mosquitoes they
He
chill.
be house master.
So they get malaria in advance. If
What
you
Charlie?
make you go
He
check.
name be house master. He dey fit talk. Study say, yo, go and sleep. Tomorrow go to school. I say, hey. So the girl now she don't know say today I for go.
I shock.
Hey, live online and the girl too. Or don't see.
No, guy, if you chop your broken heart, make I enjoy my life.
Have you got anything?
Oh, I did it.
Oh, yeah, I know.
You see, let me tell you something.
Right,
Me, Papa.
We
Yeah,
get
I'm not
we get
gonna
babies
say
for
that.
them. We get babies for them. We tell them say go enter, please go enter. By the Lord, what should they do behind you? You see, that's the thing we have to know. As we dey here, if you talk say what are they you get 2 city, I fit tell you oh 2 city I never see some before. Like 2 weeks this I no see 2 city before. But me they talk I get this one. Oh no, they broken here together. I be bet. BET.
Dead. Hey, why you there before?
Oh no, you not be
Woman
that.
died.
Ah, then you want Charlie slow.
It's my woman died.
I still broken heart.
Ah, hey, you too.
You see say
I don't tell you. I tell
Jay,
you.
that one-
in second woman he left him. You know why?
Hey, so hey, you guys get 2 things in common.
You know why in second woman left him?
Nah.
In second woman can hear say in first woman die, in second woman to die. Where the third woman left him?
Hey, so only 2 bodies die.
Yeah, then die. Then die where the third woman say, I'm afraid I also die. Acho, my 10. I don't want it to be my 10. Oh, in 2 babies die. I no go lie.
This one, if in recent woman inspire.
I mean, no be informed.
Oh, in recent woman no, but on the other say, about bomb pie. Yes, we did with your breaking ball. You see,
It's not be so.
she's
In
certified.
own I be the first one she get accident. They say they can't travel like tomorrow. They come up from.
By this time, like Chairman Day UK. Chairman Day
What they show? My guy be here. He kill woman. They take camera. He sing song give the girl. The girl go catch. You go catch your kiss here and bang. More than Kiki the Montana. Left arm.
Most of the girls that fly outside, it's not all of them that come. So me, I'm really shocked that this guy's girlfriend is coming back to mine.
Oh, then he said the one day be full level.
Hey,
No,
some
you
people
see-
go outside.
No. You see,
Charlie,
one thing
the
is,
one there more than.
Small eating.
you see, one thing is,
Let me eat it.
one thing is,
They'll just
some people
fall
are,
in.
that, the word is, some people are determined in life.
Oh yeah.
Where this baby to one thing say she dey go they come.
Yeah,
So she come to her, she know they go family house. She dey bed chairman there. See the chairman day, then they roam, then they do last time. Yeah, the poppy say when they come and they are walking around, I love them, love birds.
Daddy,
You see
they
that-
kill you.
You see, stronger than appetite. You see, so that be the thing.
I didn't tell you go.
The bed goose.
Chelsea. That's not one.
Like you know they tell it.
Charlie, only tell it.
Cause yeah. Right,
If you the cut stop
So they talk.
Hey, you.
You are not the cut too.
See, you can see the cause I'm on
Please stop.
this one.
They like
You
pass.
can see the call point black.
Why you like?
Who you want, Deji?
This is how the cut before.
Hey, Masa, hey, Masa, cool ben amoye wa onom. Hey, cool ben amoye wa onom.
So guys, this is Mr. Charlie. We have Chologas here. Master Oka comes or wow. We have Chologas of no flows over 2.5.3.5. Bet king on August you.
Me.
Open odds.
Call
on him.
Hey, I beg, bro. I beg, Charlie.
Boys.
Where beside me? Beside
Boys,
me
boys.
is
Fred.
J Matikote. J
But
Matikote.
this guy the Bible, why he?
You want a big bum bum, you have a big time, you want to flatten it. Everything is cool.
Charlie, that one.
That man's what be there. Obenfo.
If you hey, I beg.
Oh, Charlie, I mean, I want to reduce the stomach. I go
You
do.
already just too much.
So guys,
See, we go talk about
you don't want quality drivers. You don't want quality drivers. Fast and Furious drivers. I recommend 2 guys for you.
Riders.
Sugar and then Nana Kesi.
Paul Walker.
Paul Walker. Denzel.
Paul Walker and Valentino Rossi.
Don't be smart. I got that. Actually, I mean, what I'm saying is that in relationship, you have to give your all, no matter what, and don't use your past to judge the current, because we are not the
But
same.
you know that. You know that if you phrase something, did you know that? You just said because your woman left you.
Yeah.
I have a friend, I get one party. I mean, you guys know Piero.
Yeah, Piero.
If he bed afternoon, day here the bed and go shout, hey Jennifer, be careful with Kweku. The way Kweku no kun. He's a nice guy. A patrol. Oh yeah, see how Kweku mami odds game. Me odd master. My friend now say Jennifer is disturbing him. Please, Jennifer, you are one.
But I
guys.
If you know the data, if you cool movie, you get peace of mind.
Well, now you not talk that to see no data. Because sometimes some relationships are they are the best because they can take you afar.
That one they dating too is a blessing too. But maybe the person you're going to date will change your life forever.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
and some dating too bring cases.
But do you know why the Bible even says a man will leave his parent and then a woman will come together as a union?
No, so for which one?
Like it means a lot. Do you know say if he left your house if he marry somebody, you not get nothing. But through the person you will come make up.
Oh, that one indeed.
The person will give you links. Is it that? But somebody you go marry, your everything will come down.
No indeed.
That's why everything they do in life there is no rush. That's why to me, I they tell you say I know will give my all. You go try to study some things.
Well,
you won't buy plot for a year. They won't build your company. Or you won't build whatever your house before study. No be say you can't buy the place. Maybe the place be waterlogged. You can't buy now, you start a build. And so and then you go see say go carry your TV. Who go take your TV give you? Who go carry your mattress give you?
Or maybe they play the things one saying and you need to buy for this.
You see. So if you study, if you ask questions.
And you maybe one
because you go military insider, then take you everything from you, and then they pass your back. They come where you did. They be say how this person they like. Oh, this person last time go still Toronto, so they not go take you. You see that thing? You pass out and everything, medicals, everything is set. See.
Okay, so towards the advice you give.
Okay. With relationship. Okay, with these days, like the way things are going, I don't think you should really go in with your height. But one thing I believe is that love goes the other side. So maybe assuming
Tap. Don't go to do now. Where you go? We can do something.
What the fuck you Eugene?
Sit here.
Guys, you see, I have Tiny's here. Tiny Mokula Kwape. You see,
what the fuck you Eugene?
Guys,
you know me, you buy the thing come.
How you Eugene a family?
But guys, on a more serious
note,
anyone wants to sponsor this program for adverts and everything now, the number is down there. You just call the number down there.
Sweet Bombo.
054
Bombo.
4166 054 640 4166.
The number again, please.
054 640 4166.
But I'm saying Bombo, Charlie.
For sponsorship deals or for advertising.
Chocolate so make it over.
Unimas Record or Unimas Production will be happy to work with you. So now you talk something.
Yeah, you're not supposed to go in with everything. But one thing is that lab grows, you get it. So
lab grows.
Yeah.
I know all the fertilizing the woman answer
that. But sometimes you go to meet somebody for the first time. Oh, Charlie, this person I like him. But to get to a point when you guys start vibing and all that, you see that it becomes deeper. You get it. So love grows, and it fades. So if maybe you and someone are catching some vibe and all that, you see that when the vibe is no more there,
into other part.
It just fades away. And then you just.
But you know, due to some.
But you see, with what you're saying, if you meet the right person, she will tell you all this. You see, some ladies will tell you, let's study ourselves for some time. Yeah, and then within that time, like you know who he is, like.
But some to go fit pretend though.
Some go fit. That's why some go tell you straight. Say if you go in make I tell you something. Like a guy go tell you say, I see you today. Now my heart tea. I love you. They are vibes.
Those vibes.
They no be love.
But sometimes it be love.
Sometimes it be love, but it be vibe. Nah. Vibe be 99%. Love be 1%.
So that's what you do.
So that's what it will grow.
That's what you do.
It will start with the 1% too, but it will grow to 99. That's why when they leave you, they are like, hey, Charlie, all this while.
All the vibes are give.
All the vibes are,
but
then was growing.
Everything on relationship to we talking about, the good girls in this and everything. You for Kai say the guys too demon.
So the guys in demon.
Guys demon. See, I'll talk for the girls too. Everything the guys where we start. we dey give them broken heart. So then to then hit them at chest talk we say they no go allow these things again. Maybe true because see so many guys out there, ladies carry them a heartbeat. Right? As ladies then they out there say they go do hookup them things, lesbianism them thing, it's called broken heart.
Yeah.
That thing the bad. Just imagine say you carry everything give somebody just like your own.
Yeah.
You be girl here, you go do this one. You be girl here, you go carry your heart give another guy again. You see that thing? So guys. Nice. Yeah, we should work on it.
And be
If
truthful.
you love someone,
No,
just
you know
give your heart to
the
them.
reason why girls their love grow faster than guys is because
They believe what they hear.
yes. So those things, and then with girls,
But riders they don't
this
they believe.
marriage. Oh yeah, but like with
If
this
you tell him I
marriage
love you
issue,
more than they tell you you're bread.
and with this love issue stuff, like you see that every time. Oh, I want to date. I want to get married. Oh this. Oh that. Oh this. So those things allow them to grow their love faster. So when you leave them, then they're like, yeah, baba.
But sometimes too you can be friends with a girl, but it will be mutual, no love.
Yeah.
So bestie be good or you no be good.
Bestie.
You can be what?
Like friends with a girl, man. You know they love your body, but they
No, like
You
bestie
have
as
the
in
English term for that. We call it quick alone.
for same.
You-
Quick loan.
They will give you quick alone. It means like you and a person deal, but you don't need the relationship inside. You don't want to move on, but yeah, tight party.
Okay. Charlie.
but with that one, that bestie thing, yeah, I don't feel like it's good in a relationship. Like when you're dating, and you also have a bestie. Hey.
That's when you are dating.
Yeah, like when the girl has a bestie there, and then
I
and
mean,
like it's a guy, and that guy, when you look at the guy, those things. That's one thing also that creates this whole
Yeah.
relationship. Yeah, this bestie thing. Some of them bestie. That's why I said love goes to.
Yeah.
It started with bestie.
Them besties
Oh,
be the
bestie.
besties.
Oh, he's my bestie.
They go, yeah, bestie.
Then it starts growing. Then you see that they'll start liking themselves.
Where are you? I'm with my bestie. My bestie.
I've been calling you. Your
If you hear
line
this
is
song,
busy.
For you.
Jai boy, chill. When we get besties, you will make the line us for.
So you get that money. Hey.
You know me mindset. I just.
You see.
Yeah,
You
because
go do and then go make banku.
I go make bank. Bestie, we get bestie way.
me, I get
Never mind
bestie.
it.
Nothing they happen.
Me self.
She just do a party like yo.
Oh, what's up? What they go on?
Yeah, what they, and then I mean, the vibe you can't go back too much. What's up? What they go? Hey, yo, you don't me. Oh,
Yeah.
You do our account visit you.
Ah, they do. You do.
Bestie, yeah, you bad, oh.
I say stop the bet.
Charlie, on that note, Charlie, we out.